Okay, we're here at the Aberdeen Self-Build Renovation Show 2018. We're here with Dean from Nordan. How you find the show, Dean?
Yeah, it's been really good so far. Yeah, I've been really steady, a lot of people in, and it's just good to be here and just have a bit of presence and speak to everybody about various different aspects of their projects. So, no, it's been really enjoyable, yeah.
That's great. And can you tell us a bit more about Nordan and what they do?
Yeah, certainly. So Nordan itself, it's a family-run business, a Norwegian-based company that manufactures timber windows and door systems. We also do aluminium clad, which nowadays in this market area is what a lot of people tend to go for, maintenance free. But we're a local company based in Aberdeen, and we speak closely with architects as well as the joiner, construction side of things. We get involved in pretty much every aspect of it. Ultimately, we give a product that fills the holes in the walls. That's the main thing.
That's great. Well, thanks very much for the interview. Okay, take care.
Thank you.